Hi guys, welcome back. This is actually a video for my dad he asked me to make, but it's really cute, so I decided to put it on my own channel. He wanted me to take these pictures for my sisters and brother in New York. He builds models, all different types of models, but his favorite to do are boats. And this is one that he just finished. Look at the detail in there. The little cannons, the cannonballs. He loves this. He has a little shop in my garage, and we stay out of it. We see the bottom layer, the little barrels, storage, the crates. I remember him making that crate hand by hand, like one at a time. He put every piece of wood together. Let's see. And you just keep looking at it, and it's got all, you know, you see something different each time. This is the other side. What's that on the wall? I don't know, some hooks. But he loves doing this. He's been doing boats. When I was a kid, I remember him doing boats. And I wish I had the boat that he made when I was a kid. I don't know what happened to it, but I remember it used to sit on the TV. And it was so cool when I was a kid. I just thought it was the greatest thing ever. I probably broke it. Shh, don't tell him. And that's not an admission of something I did as a kid. That's just, I don't remember. I don't know, there's a whole bunch of things in there. Let me get something to show you the scale. That's a Coke top from a bottle. So look how, like, if you can imagine how tiny a Coke bottle top is, imagine the size of those cannonballs and the barrel that it came in. You could practically fit the cannons in the cap. It's so cool. Let's see. This is just like a cross-section of a ship. And let me get how tall this is. He's got the mast. The mast was supposed to be taller, but it really is very tall. Okay, so we'll be back to coloring. I'm still putting out my coloring video today. I'm just waiting for something to dry on it. And I would get this done for him.